Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Winnebago Minnie. This is a 2500 RL. That's a rear living floor plan. You can see on the front here, fiberglass cap with a big W on his chest, power hitch jack, black diamond shield. There's also stabilizer jacks on all four corners. This is the high gloss gel coat. It's a lot shinier than other trailers. It's going to stay that way for years to come. And we've got slam latches inside here. You can get a good look at the storage, the cargo storage we have inside. There's our jack handles and power cord, magnetic fasteners, tinted glass, radial entry door. We like those because they don't leak. Here is the model, 2500 RL, solar ready, samped. You can just plug and play. You're off grid. Alloy wheels and good ride tires. Another storage compartment here toward the back. There is outside speakers, and look at this awning, goes the entire length. Rear ladder, and yes, of course, it is a walk-on roof, spare tire, rear bumper, and here's our slide out. Okay, let's take a look at the inside. Finish walking around. Outside shower, our dump valves, all your, if you're in the park, all your power right here. And of course, that zamped plug-in here. And one of the ground panels are great because you can point it at the sun while your trailer's in the shade. Just makes sense. Let's take a look at the inside. 3 steps to the entry and very light colors. Even without being plugged in, it's pretty easy to see inside here, even on a cloudy day like this. Little corner here, instead of making this just bare wasted space, they put in storage. Tank monitors, above storage as well. This is a rear living, so you see we have the sofa in the back. That's going to be a place for a guest sleeping, as well as the dinette booth converts into a bed too. 3 windows inside the booth, a couple windows here in the back. Look at all this bonus countertop space. If you like to cook, preparing meals, usually you're trying to cook in an area about this size with a sink in the middle, but here we've got lots of room and we got lots of pantry storage above. Ducted air conditioning too, by the way. Silverware drawers, you'll notice they're real plywood, ball bearing metal roller guides. The oven, 3-burner stove. There's our oven, backsplash built-in, microwave over the top, Dometic refrigerator freezer, and entertainment center right here at this bulkhead. We've got our flat panel TV, and down below is the Jensen AM/FM CD DVD player. Bathroom. Voila, here we are. Foot flush toilet, entry door to the bedroom, our sink, medicine cabinet, the magnetic Neo-style shower with a skylight over the top. And I'm not going to use that door right now. I'm just going to close it and go through the regular bedroom door right here. And we got a queen size bed. You notice there are USB chargers, plug-ins, closets on both sides, nice and deep, overhead compartments, a flip down flat panel TV, rounded corners. It's just a really nice floor plan, real bright inside, and we got the good contrast with the dark flooring, dark upholstery in this 2018 2500 RL Winnebago Minnie right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. Give us a call today. We take trades, we finance, we can even help with delivery arrangements. Gibbs RV in Coos Bay.